Okay, welcome to the channel, guys. Today I shall be buzzing around in my car getting some footage of driving through the hillside at Forest of Bowland. As you can see, we've got a bit of snow. I found some. Look at this as well. And listen to that. And I just noticed this. I thought I'd just pop across here without getting run over. I'm not climbing any hills today because I've not got my gear with me, but I thought I'd show you this. Look at that. Looks like some sort of kiln. Look at that. And in there, look, icicles hanging down. It's probably been here a few hundred years. There's a tree growing out of it now, look. Amazing stuff. Yeah, we've come to check this out, so let's come see what we can find. There's plenty of snow over there. Ooh, that looks a bit icy. Village here. That's where I went up last time. Heading towards Clitheroe. We've not had anything like what they've had down south, or even on the east coast. We had a little sprinkling yesterday, and the day before it just dried up. Sun came out, sunny Morecambe, and dried us all out. Check out my other video I did yesterday, or the other day. I went down Morecambe seafront. Lovely sunshine. It's supposed to be snowing. Lovely sunshine. We'll start heading up into the hills in a minute. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. You know, approximately only 10% of people that watch these videos are subscribed, which means there's a massive 90% of people like you watching now that haven't subscribed to me. Why not? Come on, click it now. Let's have some subscriptions. It costs you out. Just click on the subscribe underneath the video, click on the bell icon, and it'll just let you know when I upload videos. It doesn't cost now. It's free. Do it now. Oh look, little pheasants. Don't want to run them on. Oh look, more pheasants. Come on, Mr. Pheasant. There we go. Come on. There we go. They bark like dogs, don't they? Right, we're going up into the hills now. A lot of people watching this video that won't have seen this. There's also people that can't get out and will probably never see this. So I'm bringing it to you live in your front room. Got to be worth a like. Look at this snow flaming post there, you're right over an edge into a ditch. Good lad, he's stopping. It's snowy up here. Down we go. Down into the valley. Well, it's quite deep there. It is quite deep there. Look at that. Beautiful, look at that. So here we are, I pulled up. Now a little stream coming down. from the hill. And look at that view down there. That's worth all the effort driving out here. There we are, Forest of Bowland. And there's the river, which I've done many times, on the little iron bridge up there. Those servicemen who died in air crashes in the Forest of Bowland 1940 to 1949. If you look up Langdon in my videos, you'll find it. There is up there, there's a water refinery. Doves, you don't often see doves at the side of the road, do you? You know, this seems to be disappearing by the minute. It was more than this when I came down, not half an hour ago. It's disappeared. Oh look, come on. Pheasants in the road, come on. Come on. Move it, move it, move it. Pheasant. Sheepies. I've got to stop and show you this lot. It's full of stuff to see. Look at this little river here.